Come on. Don't know how you're gonna do that. Oh, you fucking did it. Oh shit.
Can I have a little bite? Just a tiny little taste, please. You won't even notice it's gone. I'm invisible. You don't see me. I just want a little nibble, nothing more. Hey, I'm here, just in case you didn't see me. This doesn't look safe for you. I should try.
Show your baby as a newborn versus now.
Five reasons why I don't think my dog is a dog. 1. He can't catch food in his mouth. 2. He doesn't play with toys. 3. He's awkward with dogs. 4. He doesn't fetch. 5. According to my phone, he's a cat.
Wala na. Oh! Very good baby. What's this? What's this? Another one. Oh! What's this? What's this? Oh! Dali na. Oh!
Hey! Who gave you the right to be so cute? You're so adorable it makes me sick. But in a good way, like I got butterflies and my heart is all fluttery. You're just so adorable. Why are you so adorable? Can you tell me why you're so adorable, please?
What is that, John? Hey. What?
New trend, walk backwards towards your dog. See how your dog reacts.
Show me something that you spent way too much money on, but don't regret it at all because it's freaking sick. I'll go first.
Rumor has it I'm the one that peed on the floor.
All the rumors are true, yeah. What you heard, that's true, yeah.
If you have a dog, turn your volume up to see what their reaction will be for the following sounds. Or don't, I can't really tell you what to do.